Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and change your time zone on your Windows 11 computer. Now, it's very easy to do, guys. Just follow very thoroughly. So here you're going to want to head over to the search bar and search up settings. Now, go ahead and click the settings page here. It's going to go ahead and open it up. Now, go ahead and make your way down to time and language. Once you go ahead and click on that, it's going to give you about 4 options here. Now, the very first one is what you're going to want to go ahead and click, which is the date and time option. Now, go ahead and click on that, and you're going to want to go ahead and go down to the fourth option that says time zone. Now, it says right here that I am currently on the Pacific time in US and Canada. So let's say I am no longer here, and let's say I am maybe in like Central America or something. I would just go ahead and click the Central America time, and it's going to go ahead and change it from there. Now, that's how you go ahead and configure it, guys. It's very simple and easy to change your time zone on Windows 11. But with that being said, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.